Hi, I'm Chris Link and welcome to my channel, and today, as you can see, we're in my bathroom and we are going to be talking about my favorite Rodan and Fields products, and it is the Rodan and Fields Enhancements Micro-Dermabrasion Paste. And let me let y'all see kind of what it looks like right there. I absolutely love this product and I'm going to show you how I use it. Now, I don't use it but about one time a week or so, something like that. So I just wanted to let you know what it is. And let me show you what it kind of looks like. And you can see, I think I'm on the second tube right there. There you go. What I do with this is a great exfoliation. And if you're not exfoliating your face at least once a week, gosh, you really need to. Now, y'all know that I am, at this point, today is the 3rd week. Today is exactly my 3-week anniversary after my CO2 laser that I had. And as you can see, I'm going to kind of come a little closer and let you see what I'm still dealing with on my cheeks. My forehead is already pretty clear and my neck is pretty clear as well. But I am dealing still with a lot of this, the discoloration a little bit. So I'm going to try this now and see if I can get some of it off and see if it'll help brighten my skin and start. My skin kind of has a sandpaper effect, and we are at week 3. It was 3 weeks ago today that I had this this laser done. So what I do with this is I actually take it and I get just a little bit, probably more than I should. So take about that much, and y'all pardon me because I'm going to actually be turning away to look at my mirror here, and I just start in little circles, and I make it. And since I'm really wanting to concentrate on the cheeks, I'm probably going to spend more time on the cheeks and try to get some of this dead skin off on my cheeks. And I just go around really simply and just kind of do circular motions, really kind of soft, not doing a lot. Now I am going to go down on my neck because, you know, your neck, it's your face, your neck, and your hands that give us away in our aging, as we know. So we have to make sure we are addressing all of those areas. And so as you see, I did this. I started with a dry face, and as y'all can see right there, this is just a little bit of I don't know, it's still an abrasion from the core laser peel, or core laser, I guess I should say, CO2 laser that I had done. That is still there. I don't know, I'm trying to, hopefully it'll heal soon. Okay, so I let this, I kind of leave it on for just a little bit, and you know, I don't really go a lot up underneath the eyes. I just go a little bit underneath the eyes because that's such a tender area. And so then all I do, pardon that noise, there for the water. Actually, all I'm going to do is just, I think what I'll do, I'll use my Wonder Cloth. Do y'all have a Wonder Cloth yet? Does everybody have a Wonder Cloth? I love this Wonder Cloth, and all you do really is you get it wet and it rinses out, and it's so great. It's for taking off makeup really, but I think I'm going to use it today. And all I'm going to do is, it's a warm towel, and I'm going to just kind of wipe the stuff off. Go ahead and turn that off. We don't need that, do we? Oh, still had some makeup on. That's not good. Okay, so we're just gonna wipe that off, and with our Wonder Cloth, I have something that I actually can dry with. Now, as you can see, I'm a little bit red, not bad, but the texture is remarkably different, so much smoother, and I'm so glad I did. I've been scared to do it because I'm only 3 weeks out, so I've been very cautious with skincare for these last 3 weeks because it was a CO2 laser, and the brand that they used was called Core, CO2RE, if you're researching that. And I am going to do videos on this, so I don't know if I've done them yet or not, but I'll link it when I do it so that you can go and look. And I'm going to do a day by day of this core laser so that you can see what I went through, and let's just see how it went. Y'all know I turned 50 a month ago, and so I'm just going to I'm going to start with a YouTube channel at age 50, and let's see if anybody else needs the help that I needed as I started to turn 50 and needed to know what were the best things that I needed to do for my skin, for my life, for my family as this kind of happened. So like we said, here is my favorite. That is my favorite Rodan and Fields product right there. And so I don't sell the product, just to let you know. I'm not a salesperson for it. I'm sure there'll probably be somebody that'll be in the comments that'll say, I'll sell it to you, because I do not sell the product, so I have to buy it myself personally at retail. But it is a great product for once a week, just to exfoliate and really help with the smoothness. So if you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell if you want to see more of my videos as they're coming out. And I appreciate you so much. Again, I'm Chris Link, and we'll see you soon.